Setting up your TripAdvisor profile is relatively straightforward. Go to tripadvisor.com and click on Add a Place in the bottom menu. Then select List a Restaurant. You'll need to fill out a couple of details just to make sure that they have the correct contact details for you, and to also just state your role and whether the business is currently open. Then enter your pub's name and address in the fields provided. You'll also need to fill out some contact information here, including your website URL. You then need to wait for your listing to be approved by TripAdvisor, and this typically takes a few days. Once your profile is set up, you need to make it visually appealing. Enhance your profile with photos, uploading as many high-res images of your pub's interior, exterior, and offerings. Professional photos are recommended. Then you need to craft a description. This is a compelling description highlighting your pub's features and relevant keywords. This is great for SEO. Managing your profile is crucial for maximising your pub's visibility on TripAdvisor. Here are some best practices. Claim and verify your listing to control your pub's profile. Keep all your details up to date, including website links, phone numbers, and opening hours. Include a large selection of high-quality photos to visually showcase your pub. Include important keywords into your description so that people can easily find what they're looking for, like a Sunday roast or a beer garden. And the more thoroughly you complete your profile, the more chance you have of appearing in those search results.